Facetory Reviews, and today we're unboxing, once again, it's filter day, because it's filter day. This subscription is a no frills, house, your HVAC, your unit, your filters for your home, your air filters. There we go. That was that word I was searching for. So I know if you guys are like us, we forget. Like, we have had those in there for like 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, winter. And it's hard to remember. So things like this, it comes whenever you want it to. I think monthly, bi-monthly, or every 3 months. You can choose good, better, or best as far as quality. That's all about, like, do you have allergies? And like different things that you're worried about. Things in the air, contaminants and things like that. So the prices vary. They have huge variety of options. So they'll pretty much cater to almost any kind of an air filter. You just have to know your size. So I had, like for this, I had to have my husband like go and check the size of our air filter. That's his job, not mine. It's not a thing that I really know about. So this is our filter, and this makes it super easy to remember though, because we just don't remember. Like, we just forget. So this, it comes in this box, and this has my address on it, so sorry. It's huge. It did come, in the last time I received it, it came in another box, but this one it did not. It just came in here. And here's the air filter. You know, it's just a nice filter. I think this is the mid one, the medium. Like, not good, not best, but better. And, you know, they're standard, but it's such a cool way, because if you forget, like we do, because it's not out of sight, out of mind, if you don't buy, like, even if we buy, like, 5, you know, we'll forget to put those in. The fact that it comes to your door, it's in a big giant box, you're like, okay, let's get this done, let's swap it out. And you do have all those different options. It's really cool. I think this one is like $14, and we were actually looking at Costco, and it comes out less than it does at Costco. So that's really cool. And some of them are even less. Like, if you buy just the good one, if you just want, you know, you just want to change your air filter, I think they're like, a lot of them are like 11. Now, they're all different. It varies for each filter, the size and the dimensions and all that. But it's pretty much, you know, it's an inexpensive way to never forget to have your air quality, you know. So I will link down below to my full review. I will tell you all about the different options, and I will link to its filter day as well, so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys. So I'm gonna sneeze so much for watching. I'll see you next time.